In India, Ministry of Road Transport Research and Highways has taken a survey for the year 2019 on road accidents and shared the reports. The report was shocking, and it says that, yearly around 75% of the accidents causes injury and 25% causes death. On average, daily it was 414 deaths and 1230 injuries, and hourly 17 deaths and 51 injuries. Please find the split up of accidents. Overspeeding death is 67.30% and injury is 72%. And other miscellaneous accidents are summarized. And in gender-wise split up, male death is 86% and female death 14%. Finally, the maximum number of road crashes and deaths were caused by overspeeding. Here in this video, we will provide the list of accidents that has happened due to overspeeding. Scene 1. Frequent accidents on roads happens due to non-usage of indicators. Whenever you are making left or right turn, kindly use the indicators. This will make the vehicles behind you to be cautious. Use the indicators in highways, main roads and even in small streets. Scene 2. Even a professional racer would fall prey for cow dung, sand etc. So be more cautious while driving in high speed and in turnings. Bike will skid if the tires encounter with any slippery objects like cow dung, sand or dried leaves. Scene 3. Riding bikes at the edge of the road is very risky. Use the lane provided for bikes and avoid overspeeding. If you are riding at the edges, there is high possibilities for the biker to lose control and thrown aside. Scene 4. In highways, in main roads, maximum number of accidents are due to cutting of lanes. This might be due to misjudging of speed of the behind vehicles or not seeing the vehicles in the blind spots. In order to avoid it, always watch out for vehicles thoroughly and change the lanes. Scene 5. The common accident is hitting the vehicles from behind. It is always safe to have minimum 10 meters gap between the vehicles to avoid collision. The rider or driver is always advised to apply brakes gently and cautiously to avoid unnecessary accidents. Scene 6. Do not hit the front brake while speeding. This will skid or topple the bike and create heavy damage to life. So skill the art of braking and gently apply front and rear brakes together, wherever necessary. Self-control during driving is very important. Scene 7. The scene is self-explanatory. However, do not try to open the car door in main roads or highways. Always watch out for vehicles from behind and open the door. This is basic act of common sense. Scene 8. Accident happens in normal days, but this will be very severe during rainy seasons. High speeding during rain will lead to accidents. Avoid overtaking or speeding in curves, there is high possibilities for vehicles to slip. Scene 9. Potholes are dangerous pit for every vehicles. Always be cautious during riding, and watch out for potholes. Slow wherever necessary and avoid it. Scene 10. Do not follow the vehicles for long time. If you are following, you won't be able to see the obstacles in the front and you might bump into it. Make your visibility of the road at a maximum stretch, so that you make your own decision and not the front vehicles. Scene 11. If you like to go to other side of the road, and even if it is shorter distance, do not cross in wrong direction. This will lead to clash of vehicles. Instead, make U-turns wherever necessary. Blind spot for heavy vehicles. Avoid traveling at the yellow highlighted area, whenever you are along with heavy vehicles. These are the blind spots, where the driver will not be able to notice you and accidents happens. Blind spot for cars. Avoid traveling at the yellow highlighted area, whenever you are along with cars. These are the blind spots, where the driver will not be able to notice you and accidents happens.